Alright, y'all. Boys, Amazon testing my package. So first we have the Audio Legion. Get damaged real bad. And this is what I get in a little while ago. Really? But luckily, it wasn't damaged. So, this is the Skar that everybody wants me to test. And I tell you what, I finally broke down and got one, just for y'all. This is the FSX65. This is a mid-range loudspeaker by Skar. It's their budget-friendly option. This is an Audio Legion. Actually, two of these are cheaper than one of these. Go figure. So these currently are going to run you about, I think they were like 30 bucks, something like that. So it is a very similar style design. This one's got a triple ribbed surround. This one's got a double. This one's got a paper press cone with a membrane residue on it. With a traditional paper press cone around. This is a slick, so it's not textured like the Audio Legion. It is textured on the back. This is a 4 ohm, 150 RMS, 300 max. It's got the same yellow spiders as the Audio Legion. I believe they're exactly the same. So, different motor structure, definitely very similar design. Very similar to the, I want to say more similar to the Black Diamonds and Timpanos, even though they're a little different still. But motor structure wise. So, let's go ahead. We'll get into this. We'll play a few tracks so y'all can hear it. So alright. Go ahead and move the Audio Legion. I'll do a comparison of this speaker to a bunch of others. So, I'll go ahead and read off some stats while I'm finding something to play. So we're looking at a cutout of 5.92. That's not that unusual of a cutout. That's pretty common. We have a RMS of 150, like I was saying, 1.5 inch coil. Magnet is 21 ounces, 4 ohm. Voss is 5.732. FS is 93. That's good. BL is 6.8. Seems kind of high for this small of a speaker and small of a motor. And then we have a 90.6 sensitivity, so it is going to require a lot. As always, we're going to be using a dual head unit to simulate someone who's putting this in a factory head unit or putting it in a crappy radio. So let's see what I can find.
Simply the best when you have fresh.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. I've been high.
Okay, so let's talk about it a little bit. Great sounding speaker, don't get me wrong. It's a really good sounding speaker. I believe for the price, you're not going to miss out by any means. Some speakers, you might find a little better deal when they're not MSRP. But this one coming straight from Skar at MSRP, it's a great deal. It's definitely a lot better, in my opinion, than the Timpanos. It's right there on par with the Black Diamonds, the DS18. Well, the DS18s handle the actual a lot more power, and they sound clear. This doesn't sound bad at all, but it's a standard dust tap style. It's not a bullet style mid-range, so it doesn't have that precise sound for the highs, but it does sound really good. So let me go ahead and swap over to this damaged Audio Legion just to show you all a comparison of what they sound like. Now keep in mind, this Audio Legion obviously is pretty damaged. It's got I'll show y'all, it's got a big old hole right there where my finger can fit through. So shouldn't damage the performance too terribly, considering it's a mid-range speaker, but it's definitely gonna make it interesting. So let me go ahead and play that same track. Alright guys, so there it is. This is a low RMS test, so we can't get the full effect of these speakers side by side. The reason I do that, like I said in the beginning of the video, is because of people not having amplifiers or good head units. So I wanted to give an all-around worst world scenario for car audio like this. So next up, we will be getting an amplifier and testing them, but that is down the road. I have so many videos still to make. Everyone wants to see the Skar versus the DS18, the DS18 versus the Black Diamond. And people aren't realizing there's different models for each speaker that closely match different models for other speakers. Like the DS18 Pros, I can't match with the Black Diamond that I have because of the higher end Black Diamond. So there's a lot of stuff on order, a lot of stuff waiting to come. But just bear with me, guys. If you like these kind of videos, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'll have a lot more here soon.